Hello, welcome to the Shalom Stamps tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to do the embossing technique. I have chosen to do the card with a paint chip from the paint store, and I really like this one because one of the colors is called It's a Girl. So we're going to make a Mazel Tov for a baby girl out of the stamps from two sets. Simcha Occasions is the Mazel Tov, and the teddy bear is from Bracha Sentiments. And as you can see, I have it on a really nice acrylic black, which has grips for your hand and a grid to help you line up the stamps, which is also available on my website. Now, you're going to need a few new tools. One is the Versamark watermark stamp pad, and then you also need to have any kinds of embossing powder. For today, I've chosen the African Gold, and of course, the heat tool to melt the embossing powder onto the card. Okay, so you just ink up your stamp on the Versamark, and it's kind of like a sticky ink pad. And watching your placement very carefully, press down, and I think you'll see that it looks just like a watermark afterwards. Can you see that impression on the paper? And now I'm going to slip this scrap paper underneath so that when I spill on the embossing powder, I can do it really generously and not have to worry about wasting, because I simply just spill it off onto the scrap paper, and you'll see that finished image. Wipe away any extras, and you can give it a little on the back to flick them off. And now I'll spill back in the extra embossing powder and clear that away so that I can begin to use the heating tool to melt the embossing powder on. And I need to move to a heat-proof surface and hold the embossing tool about 2 inches away from your work. I'll start by warming it up on the side, and now I go right on top of it with circular motions about 2 inches away, holding the tool perpendicular to my work. As you can see, it's melting on, and it changes to a really rich, raised, embossed image, exactly the same as a regular stamp. Thank you for joining us on the tutorial again today. And you can check out our products and projects on our website at www.shalomstamps.com.